We are here at the QEII Centre in the heart of London to find out about vFloorplan and how clients and venues are using it. Can you tell us your name and your job role, please?
I'm James Bogle, the Head of Marketing Communications at the QEII Centre.
Can you tell us about vFloorplan and how long the QEII Centre has been using it for?
The QEII Centre has been using vFloorplan for about 10 years. It's an interactive floor plan that is immensely popular with our clients. It's a really unique tool because you can actually get a flavour of the venue without being in the venue. So you can fly into the venue, you can look at all the different capacities and different layouts. So you can automatically get an understanding of where the tables will sit, how it looks. So it just gives you kind of everything you need to know. There's a search functionality on there which allows you to type in a number of delegates that you potentially have at your event, and it will filter down the number of rooms available. It's also excellent because it allows you to understand kind of where your main rooms will be, but if you need plenary sessions and breakout sessions, then you've also got other options so you can see kind of where these are. As we have 7 floors, obviously we're quite a big venue with 32 different rooms. It's a really vital tool just to help you navigate around the different floors.
What feature of the vFloorplan is the most useful?
So recently we did a revamp of our vFloorplan, and within that we actually have the actual layouts of the rooms within the rooms, so you can now fly in and actually get a close-up look of how it would look, and I think that gives clients a really good understanding of how the venue looks before they come for a show round or before they approach us for a quote. So I think that's been a really excellent tool.
What impact has the vFloorplan had on your bookings?
I think it really does kind of help push events forward because for clients' perspective, it means that they can actually get an understanding of how a venue looks without needing to come to the venue. It can also help them speed up the inquiries process because, for example, looking at us, they can understand how many rooms that meet their capacity needs. They can then fly in and see kind of how the layouts would potentially look. Would that meet their expectations and requirements? So I think it's a really useful first step that could actually save clients a lot of time if they were to use this tool in the future. I would definitely say that it's enhanced their experience and made them more likely to come and visit the QEII Centre based on their knowledge of our capacities, the rooms they can see, and how the layouts look. It is the 3rd most clicked on link on our website at the QEII, and that's month on month. It is always the 3rd behind our location and our homepage, so it shows how popular a tool it is with clients.